Today we are going to cook bacon in the microwave. You will need bacon, paper towels, an oven mitt. You will also need a microwave-safe plate, a sharp knife or scissors to open the bacon package. Put 4 paper towels on a plate. Open your bacon package. You can also use scissors instead of a knife to open the package. Lay your strips of bacon onto your plate. Make sure to leave space in between the slices so they don't stick together. Cover the slices with 2 more paper towels. Put your plate into the microwave. Enter 1 minute for each slice and then push start. When your timer goes off, open the microwave. Using an oven mitt, take the plate out of the microwave. Check to see if the bacon is done. If you would like for it to be cooked more and your paper towels are pretty greasy, just simply throw them away and then put 2 new paper towels on top. Open the microwave, put on your oven mitt, put the plate back in the microwave. Cook for an additional 30 seconds. When the timer goes off, put on your oven mitt and take the bacon out of the microwave. Check to make sure it's done. If it is, go ahead and push down on the paper towels and get the extra grease off. If it is not done, go ahead and cook it for 30 more seconds. After letting the bacon cool for a minute or 2, put your bacon on another plate, and then it's going to be ready to eat.